How to use Walgreens Health Savings feature. To use the Walgreens Health Savings feature, you must pair an eligible health savings account or flexible spending account card with your MyWalgreens loyalty amount to unlock automatic eligible item identification and tax-free payments. So you simply have to go ahead and filter and shop for the HSA FSA eligible items within the mobile application, and then proceed to redeem and pay at the checkout. Bring out your retail merchandise from the store to the front register counter, then type your linked phone number into the card reader to apply your MyWalgreens loyalty discount. From there, swipe your standard HSA FSA debit card first. The register's internal software will automatically recognize the eligible items in your cart and charge only those items for your healthcare amount and leaves the remaining balance for non-eligible items. Swipe a standard personal credit or cash card second to pay for the remaining non-eligible item. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.